we have cute clothes, but nobody's buying it.
I really like your body. I don't know why you hide it. I wanna see it behind me.
This has been crossing my mind for the past couple of weeks, and it's why I'm not getting any sales. Like, why aren't my clothes selling? And I decided to do a video about it. It's more so of like me like venting, not even venting, it's more so like me thinking out loud basically, because I want to really figure out and narrow down reasons why. And that's why I decided to turn the camera on to just talk. And then if you guys have any suggestions that can help me out, also can help anybody else that who's having the same problem as me. So let's do a little backstory before I jump into this little video. Me and my mom started this online business about 2-3 years ago. Now every week me and my mom do pop-ups, right? So somebody asked me why I don't bring the clothes, so let me explain that too. So every pop-up we've been just doing is selling accessories, our new candles. We started doing candles, everything else, and then we start making cups now. So we do everything else. We sell everything else but our clothes. And the reason why we don't bring our clothes is because one of our locations that we always go to, like that place is predominantly more so Afrocentric. We first started doing pop-ups there. We brought our clothes. Now bringing clothes to pop-ups is a lot, because imagine I have a small car. Basically they bring a clothing rack, well sometimes we don't bring a mannequin to small events. Only bigger events we bring our mannequins, but we have a rack and then these clothes. This is a lot, plus our accessories. And when we first started doing pop-ups there, no one bought our clothes. Like vendors bought like 1 or 2 items, but we wanted to, like, for our customers, it's, you know, so I mean, like, basically our clothes don't sell. So literally every pop-up is always just everything else that we bring. And I am getting a little frustrated about it. Well, it's not even frustrated, it's just more so I want the clothes to sell, because that's what we started on. We started our clothes, we started Bourgeois Boutique with selling clothes. That was our main thing why we started it, but we weren't making any sales on it, so that's why we pushed it to more accessories, more so sunglasses and stuff like that, and handbags. That's been doing it for us. But we need to get back to the clothes. First reason I feel is because a lot of people are not seeing it. Now I do know that we do pop-ups every week and we don't bring the clothes, so we don't have opportunity for people to see it. So I feel that that's a downfall and that needs to be changed. And this weekend we have 2 new events. So we're going to bring our clothes this time, and hopefully people see it and want to purchase it. Now, another thing is, I feel like our social media needs to improve. We don't have a large following on social media, but the people that do follow us, we literally promote to them every day. Every day. And I'm gonna show you guys examples, or you guys might as well go follow us on our social media. Our handles will be in the description box so you guys can check it out and subscribe. It helps us out. And another thing I'm thinking, we need to do more ads. Now, in the beginning, we were doing a lot of ads on Facebook and Instagram. I feel like that didn't bring any traffic to our site, but like I said, we need to try everything. So we're going to implement that again, try to put some more ads. And you can, so my camera died, so I'm trying to remember what my last thing I was talking about. And I feel like I was saying that, you know, people are not seeing us more on social media. We don't have a large following. Like, for instance, on Bourgeois Instagram we have about 500 followers, but I'm not certain. That's the only reason why I sound like that. I'm not certain how many, but every day we promote on social media and we recycle content. So each of our platforms, me and my mom's, and especially on TikTok, everywhere, we post something just for people to go to our website. So I feel like we can go a little harder, as in we post probably about once a day, probably 1 to 2 a day maybe. We can up it a little bit. I can see us doing that. We can do that. Another reason could be our clothes are not in style or not in season. That could be a factor, but since we don't have a large following, we pick clothes for more so for vacation. Like, for instance, this dress is for, like, I can see somebody wearing this at a resort or even a club, you know what I mean? Like, and this one is more so for fall, like for right now. So I guess our season a little off. That could be a reason too. People might not like our stuff, but I feel like we have some cute pieces. I'm not just saying that, but I'm saying, like, from generally, like, everything that we have I will wear, of course, and I feel like a lot of people will like it. What are your suggestions, or what are your thoughts about our clothes? Our website's gonna be down. I'll probably put some pictures for something for you guys to see, but I genuinely feel like our clothes is popping. Like, it's it. And like the pop-ups that we do, I'm going back to the pop-ups. The pop-ups that we do is not a lot of young people, and I feel like our clothes is catered to young people like my age and younger. The pop-ups usually we go to are like mature. You guys see it. If you guys see my vlogs, you see the crowd, and that's probably a reason why our clothes are not selling at pop-ups. But like I said, we're gonna try it again this weekend. We have another event. We have 2 events, so hopefully the crowd is really vibing because we can bring in our clothes. We're gonna wear our clothes. So another thing, I feel like our pricing is very affordable, so I feel like that couldn't be a reason why people are not shopping. Because when I go to other people's sites or at the pop-ups, I see their clothes are more so, you know what, at the pop-ups their clothes is more so of a hipster vibe. I don't see anybody like with our stuff like club attires, so I'm like, I don't understand why people are not, you know, like really shopping for it, you know what I mean? And I feel like our clothes is very affordable. Especially if you shop online, we offer free shipping over a certain amount, over $75. I think that's a very good price. And for instance, these dresses, this one's about $30. I think that one's about $40. I think $40 or $45. I feel like that's a reasonable price. I don't, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm open to suggestions about that as well. Yeah, I don't know why we're not making money on our clothes, but like I said, all the things that I've listed, those are things that may be the reason why we're not making sales. So basically, let's recap. I really feel like we need to go a little bit harder. We're doing good. I'm really proud of me and my mom. Like, we're doing our thing. We need to go a little bit harder with the clothes. You know what I mean? Like, we're staying afloat with our accessories. Accessories is keeping us motivated, but I really want to start selling our clothes. This is like, I don't know, this is so frustrating. What's not frustrating is more so like, what is it? Like, you know what I mean? Why isn't anybody shopping? Maybe it's the pandemic. You know what I mean? I'm trying to point fingers. I'm trying to really narrow this down. The pandemic got a lot of people, you know, not shopping, not going out, but we're slowly getting out of the pandemic. That could be the reason too, because our clothes are more so of a club attire, more going out or vacationing. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? I'm gonna, like I said, I'm open to everything. Anything constructive criticism, I'm open to it, because I'm at this point, I don't know why people are not liking our clothes. So that being said, I'm going to continue to separate some clothes. We do have some new arrivals as well. And this is off topic, but buying new inventory is a lot. Like, if you guys see all this right here, it's all clothes, right? And I just bought more clothes. I know that's not a good idea, but the reason why we have more clothes is because we're trying to stay relevant, and we're trying to see like what really people are shopping for. And one person said that we don't have enough selection. So that's why me and mom, we trying to literally, we take all the constructive criticism and we're really trying to implement them, because we really want to be successful with this. So we have more clothes. I probably could show you guys what we got, because I have nothing but time right now. Yeah, and like I said, I pick out all the clothes and I feel like it's popping. So you know what, I don't know if I should break it up in different video or show you guys now what we got, or I don't know. I'll probably insert some pictures for you guys to see. So that's it for this video. I really am hoping that someone can give me constructive criticism. I say constructive because I know people can be mean, especially on social media, but you know, I'm asking for advice, and also if I can help anybody else who's in the same problem or predicament as me. So like I said, yeah, I'm still gonna do what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go a little bit harder, as in with the promotions, trying to get myself out there more. And at our pop-ups, I'm losing an opportunity. I know that, because we haven't brought the clothes. If you guys seen the last couple of our vlogs, we have not brought any clothes. We just brought accessories, because that's what's been selling lately. So we're going to change it up this weekend. So I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can see what we do. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe.